Coral and Manta is names of two girls, Coral and Manta, that are both of them drowned in their home swimming pool. They're not related. Coral is one family and Manta is another family, but they created the need among the founders to find a solution for children who are drowning in their own swimming pool. So the name of the product is really after the name of the girl, Coral and Manta. Product that is smart enough, that sits in your pool, and you never need to mess with it. You never need to program it, and you never need to turn it on and off. The product just builds value every day by detecting what's happening in the pool and providing you information that are vital for you. For instance, if people are entering the pool when you don't want them to enter the pool, you'll get an alert. You don't have to do anything. You can say, oh, I know. But if your dog falls in the pool and you get that alert, you want to know, because the dog will swim and swim and swim until he'll die.
Right.
So it's a very intelligent system.
Earlier you shared with me how many people are drowned in the world, or maybe in the US. I can't remember what statistic you used.
Yes, so it's interesting, when we got into analyzing the potential of this product, we started investigating how much really this is of a problem. So here's where we found out. First of all, we're talking about children. There's 4 children fatalities for drowning every day in the United States alone. 4.
4.
So we're losing 4 kids every day. And those kids are typically supervised most of the time. It's that little percentage of the time that they're not supervised, that's where the accident occurs.
One of the things too that I think is pretty alarming too is, that in situations where it's your home pool or whether it's at a hotel and that kind of stuff, it doesn't take long to lose sight of that person. You're going, where are they at, And we're going to do a demo here in a little bit about, that body ending up at the bottom of the pool. So your artificial intelligence is really the key driving force in what you're doing. The other thing is you can monitor this thing from your phone, correct?
Exactly.
Yep.
Exactly.
So you can get those alerts from your phone.
So when an event happens, you get a text message, but right with this, you get essentially a picture with a detection that shows you what it is. If it is something that you believe needs an action, you can act on that right away. For instance, if your dog falls into the pool and you get an alert, you'll get a picture of a dog.
Yeah.
You'll know that the dog is in the pool. If there's a kid or there's a person, you'll get the picture.
What a good feeling as parents to know that you have that safety mechanism and you're going to get that alert.
Absolutely.
And the other thing that comes to mind is, I'm wondering with this device how much more that would help with insurance rates for these hotels. I mean, you can imagine if you can save these lives. Obviously giving up a life is huge, but then that whole insurance mechanism too. So that would be another key ingredient into why you'd want to purchase something like this.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for being on our talk show today, and we look forward to hearing more about this great product. Okay?
Dave, thank you.